What do Americans do or think that irritates you? UK edition. 1. Claim they're a quarter-scotch because their great-grandma once visited Berwick. 2. Writing the date as month, day, year. It's not even backwards. It's just in a random order. 3. Some of them think public health care is a bad thing. 4. Cling to the idea of American exceptionalism. You'll hear really smart, well-educated Americans say, but of course, this is the greatest country on earth like it's an unquestionable fact. 5. Call Britain England. I went over to the US with a proud Glaswegian. An American woman said he had a very unusual accent and where was he from? He said he was from Glasgow. Her reply, oh, whereabouts in England is that? We practically had to hold him back. 6. Replacing S with Z, in things like realize or conceptualize or civilization etc. I was recently given grief during an online conversation for using realize rather than the American version, realize. If Americans want to use the language, fair enough, but don't try to tell an English person off for writing in English. 7. They seem to think everyone on the internet is American. 8. Calling it soccer. 9. Say,